But don't be afraid of it, bud.
Here,
Okay.
Uncle Shane will hold you and you don't have to be scared of the lightning.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's loud, but it's kind of fun.
What kind of dog are we going to tell a story about?
He's named Woofy.
Woofy, that's a good name. What does he look like?
Yeah, rectangle.
He got tangled?
Rectangle.
A rectangle.
Oh, he's a rectangle dog?
Oh, I like that.
Is he purple?
No.
Is he yellow?
No.
Is he green?
Yeah.
He's green.
Black.
Green
Yeah.
and black.
Does he live on top of a hill?
No.
A mountain. Ooh.
Oh, he lives inside a cave.
Oh, in a cave.
Why a dog? Why a dog? Why a dog?
Does he have any friends?
None at all?
Oh my goodness.
Maybe there's a little boy who wants to go meet him. You think?
What does he do all day?
Does he draw pictures?
Jump.
Wow.
And break his picture.
Yeah.
Drop and break. Drop, break. Drop, break.
Why does he break them?
Because all his parents died. He turned all mad.
Oh.
Yeah, because his eyes turned red.
Wow.
How do they make him happy? Can they make him happy?
No.
Not at all?
Oh.
One time when they come over, he says, "Get out of my eyes."
Oh, boy. What if they gave him a dog bone?
No.
No?
What does he draw the pictures of?
He always drop pictures. What the ones? What other smile or they're mad? Him when they're mad, him to his turn eyes and says, "Oh no, get out of my head."
Oh. But sometimes he draws a smiley picture, but then he breaks it.
When he turns mad, his eyes turn red.
So where does he put all the broken pictures?
When they're already broken,
Mm-hmm.
they say, "Oh, that's already broken."
He just leaves him in a pile in the cave?
Whole pile.
What if he meets a bat in the cave?
He's not scared of it.
No?
Oh.
Then he kills them and jumps up and eat.
What does he do when he gets old?
Nothing.
What if he met another dog? Do you think he would like another wild dog?
What color is that wild dog?
Black and green, all the colors.
Oh, wow.
Black, so-
Rainbow.
This is like a very special dog.
What's that dog's name?
Blackie, because he has black colors.
And are they friends? Do they draw
They're
pictures together? Oh my goodness, this story is so nice.
Are they happy or sad pictures?
Sad pictures.
They're still sad, but they draw them together. That's nice, right? Do they still break them afterwards?
Yeah, they just do it together. That's a great story, Forrest. Thank you.
Now Uncle Shane's turn.
Uncle Shane's turn.